Hey guys, how's it going? Alrighty. Well, I'm not sure what kind of sword I'm going to make today. Okay. But this billet, actually, so this is like an older project I had working on for a while. Just the last time I was going to do it, I ran out of propane. So now I'm just going to go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna need something to weigh that down, aren't I? Yeah, I am. That's not gonna work. Got this little piece of steel there. What if Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. We'll try it. If I need more, I got more. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Jesus fucking Christ. I think I might have the dropsies today. So if you're playing that drinking game, yeah, I got the dropsies today. You're gonna not make it. I would prefer, yeah. Drinker's discretion is advised. Alright. So I dropped it 3 times, so. Yeah, I'm playing too. Yeah, I'm playing this. It's got a little bit of rum in there. I'm gonna play the drinking game a little bit. Yep. Viewer discretion as advised. If there's ever a thing to do not do, I have this burn. To say don't do it. I'm a professional dipshit. Alright? If you try to match my dipshittery, I am not responsible for your health. Oh! There. Yep. There we go. If you're wondering what I'm drinking, this is not a paid sponsorship, okay? So, you go to Timmy's. Yep, you go. And you get yourself some white or amber rum. Get yourself a quencher. I prefer frozen because I kind of find it makes the drink a little colder. But whatever you want, whatever you want. I like dragon fruit. There's other flavors. Whatever you like, whatever you like. And that's a drinking game. That one wasn't part of anything. It was just me giving the example. But yeah. Let's flip this bitch over. Use the left hand. That was fucking close to the face, wasn't it? Shit. Fucker. There. So how was everyone's Tuesday? Mine was great. I did the test there. My katana didn't work exactly as intended, but my Khopesh fucking beat it under the water, which I was very well surprised about. So, all in all, quite happy for that. Don't worry about that. That's still smoking. That's just the ground. Don't worry, it will happen. Do-do. That's just the leaf springs in the bottom. I don't think that should be counted. At least I'm not drinking to it. If you don't want to, feel absolutely free. Shit, that's a drink. At least I can grab better with this one. Yep. So I'm going to try and make it a broadsword. So I want it pounded thin or pounded, stretch it this way. And hopefully I can stretch it the other way. There we go. There. Like I said, just some leaf springs fell in this bottom check. Bottom of the desk. Wow. I'm gonna put that much in there. Yeah, it's 2 shots. Okay. was creeping up to my hand. There. But that's not bad. It's not falling off the table as much. I'm still gonna use the stand, don't get me wrong, but I just want to see. Let's see if this works a little bit better. Fuck, that was it. Flip it the other way. Now just keep going through the shoulders. The whole thing is like that. Pound it straight. I don't know, I'm like very partial to this one though. Maybe because it's like it's right in there, it's much more intimate or whatever. Whatever. The only real good thing is I don't have to do the tang, it's just the blade. Because I cut it in the middle of the leaf spring thing there, so I left the hole, the original hole there, and just kind of left it, so it'll be a lot easier to just kind of work with. If you don't know what I'm talking about, oh, here it is. Yeah. For some of you that don't know what the fuck I'm talking about this hole. There we go. There. Tell you what. Oh, I wonder how that's. Yeah, I cut myself. I cut my finger, and yeah, that needed a band-aid. It was bad. Oh dear. give up on that. You know what? I tried. But I think it's time to go back to the original spot. Unfortunately. Yeah. Gotta go up the wall. It wouldn't shake as much. There's not much interruption. Yep. There we go. Actually, if I do this. Just to still give it a... There! You know what? I know that one's best. I know that one's good. Fuck yeah, there, buddy. That one's fucking fantastic there. Oi! Oh, it's tight like a tiger. Oh, that is just silky smooth, I tell ya. Silky smooth. Props to anyone who gets those references. Where the fuck am I going to put these? Because this is actually fucking good though. For some other shit. Give me 2 minutes there. Sorry about that. But yeah, holy shit, I got everything there. Oh, the fuck there. Yeah, boys. Oh, yeah. Do, 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 do. There. Just one fucking less thing to drink with, you know. Oh, that's a drink. Woo! Oh shit! Yeah, fuck it, that's another drink. There. Fuck. That was so close. Alright, so that's 2. Ah. Back, Reeves. Chillers. now it's time to do the other side. You know what? Some days, just nice to go back to the basics, you know? Look! Oop. It's on fire! Oh, it's the ring of fire! Oh, the ring of fire! There. Oh. What time is it? Oh, we had 24. We had 24. Oh, damn. We had 24 minutes. And I haven't done my drink yet. Lord love a duck. There. I think it's the inspiration that I just want to keep going. Or the motivation. Sorry, yeah. It's the motivation to keep going so I don't drink. But if I want to drink. Shit. Oh, dear. Gotta make it fun for family too. And me. Okay. There we go. There. You know, if I stretch that long enough, make the edge or the center kind of thick. Just leave the, the edges, thinned up. It's gonna be a great blade, I tell you what. Oh yeah. I'll probably be able to pound out a fuller to it. Since I don't have to worry about the handle and all that shit. Get to do that. I'd actually have a little bit more time to work on that. Give that a test. Hopefully I can get this done by Saturday. Sunday. You all know the project. Or some of you know the project that I want to work on. I'm getting it. Oh yeah, and Okay, I'm going with the cheaper option. I'm getting a bowstring for it. Yep, guitar strings. The good ones I was going to use cost a little bit more than the bowstring when I went to Canadian Tire. So I'm like, well, I'm saving 20 bucks. Well, I'm just going to use the bowstring there, the actual one. So that's going to be good. After I get this done, I'm going to show if I get. We'll see if fatigue gets me or booze by playing this game. Just gonna take a just in case shot there. Yeah. So yeah. So hopefully by Sunday or maybe a Thursday, I'm gonna be making my steel bow. I got some arrows. That's gonna be fun. Ooh. Oh, shit! Can't hold it for too long. Good there. There. Do. There. There we go. Oh. There we go. Yep, too dark. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, dear. That's so recent. Oh, shit. Do. Yeah. There we go. Oh, fuck. Wow. A half hour went by. Oh, shit. Well, that was funny. Shit. You know what I go and think about every time I'm there? There's an M&M commercial. And I'm just like, yeah. As everyone's first date, if they date, you know, everyone basically, it's bound to happen. Oh yeah. Look, the black guy brings in a white girl to go like, what the fuck is a white girl doing there? Oh, my grandmother. Going, she's a little dark. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna miss about old people when they go. You know what I mean? Or I hope when I get to a certain age, I can just go, fuck it, I am this old, and fuck it, I'm bored. Or kind of thing. But you know what? I don't think I'll ever be me. Because I say whatever the fuck I want to say now. But again, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be the same way when I'm getting old. Oh, dear. Oh. Come on, you fuck. Oh, shit. That's what I forgot to do. Alright. Gotta get that. Okay. Shit. There we go. Yeah. Dear. Yeah. There. Oh. Oh yeah. Well, I'm just gonna get it all even, so if I just do it the whole way, it's be all right. Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah. I'll know more when it comes to me. on, you fucker. There. All right. 3 more minutes. All right. I'll do the 40-minute mark. Why not? Oh. Whatever. There. Yeah, there was a small fire at the shop. Rick. Yep. Okay. Now I can do the other side. Right, now I got a holder there. Oh. Dear. Shit. Shit. Fucking. Lilo and Stitch. It's live action movie. Oh, this hub truck by it. Yeah. Hiya. Dish is absolutely fucking adorable. Goddamn fluffy. Kind of thought what it looked like in the cartoon. I thought it was fucking adorable. Yeah. Alrighty, it's been 43 minutes. I've been nice enough. If you like this video, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace.